Now, what are capital letters? The capital letter is also called a big letter or uppercase letter or sometimes just a letter. Now, from A to Z, in capitals, they are all capital letters. When you use a capital letter, oh, you must know, use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. The dog is barking. See, T will be capital. Come here. So in come, C will be in capital. Always use a capital letter for the word I. So be careful whenever you are starting a word with I, use I in capital. I am 8 years old. I will be capital. If I comes in between single I, then also you have to use it in a capital word. Tom and I are good friends. See, I is again in capitals. Use a capital letter for the names of people. So whenever you're writing name like noun, proper noun, so then you have to use a capital letter. Use a capital letter for names of places. National Museum, Bronze Zoo, London, Sacramento. See, all of these words are in capital. Use a capital letter for festivals, holidays, days of the week, months of the year, New Year's Day, Christmas, Labor Day, Mother's Day. See again, both the words. If there is New Year's Day, then all the three words, starting words will be in capital. So these are called capital letters. Now let's start the exercise 1. Circle the letter that should be capitals. Then write the correct letter in the place above them. Now here you need to write all the capital letters. Like for example, first is here Peter and I are good friends. So here you need to write that in proper statement by using capital letters.